It's raining. So we're gonna plant some stuff. Okay, so let's just plop some irises in.
Okay.
Can you do?
I only have one hand to do it.
Here, I'll take your phone.
Okay. If any thunder happens, just hold the button.
Sure.
And don't turn.
Okay, ready? Let's see how fast you can do this. On your marks. Get set. Go!
Just one?
No. 15.
Oh. Okay.
See how many we get to.
What number are you counting to?
However many irises we get to. Looks a little too low, but it's probably fine, right?
Yeah, it's probably fine. Thought I wanted to do like one as fast as possible.
You should get your hands in there.
Yeah, my phone.
I'm at
It's really deep, but yeah, it'll be fine.
Okay,
Whatever.
next.
There's another one right here. There's another one right here.
Here. Hold this. I'll take this. You take this. I'll take this. That's okay. Alright, ready? I bet I can do mine faster than you did yours.
Well, yours is just a tiny
I'll put it
one.
right here. I win. Okay, I'll do this one. Where do you want this one?
There.
Right here?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
I don't know. Good enough. Who's this? Okay, we're faster than yours. Let's go.
Well, mine was big, and I also. Where's the next one? You should probably plant the bulb too.
The bulb.
Yeah. Mom, it hurts to not have my phone right now to get the video.
I mean, I don't know. We don't have to hold an umbrella. That doesn't look right.
Why?
That's probably not deep enough, right?
I don't know. Sometimes those are out of the ground.
The soil feels probably feels wet. I don't know. I probably should have put soil under that.
Do you hear the thunder?
Yeah.
Okay, I need to wash my hands so I can.
Okay then. Where's the other one?
The bulb. Are you gonna get the? Well, there's one right there.
Aha. So that's a coleus and it's an annual. and it'll be gone by the end of the season. This iris, these irises, are perennial, so they'll be back year after year, and they spread. It's hard digging left-handed when you're right-handed. A little deeper. I'm like so uncoordinated with my left hand. We should rename the channel. Well, we probably can't rename it sound because it's impossible to write, but we should rename this channel. I'm probably doing this wrong.
Oh yeah, that's a good name. It pretty much suits everything that we do every day.
Yeah. Oh, there's another one. Some watermelon. It's so fuzzy. My camera keeps pausing, and I don't know if that's the camera or if it's because of the storm.
It's probably just because it's live.
Oh, because it's live. Or as fullest on my phone is. I can't like break through.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess. Oh, there's...
It's totally freezing every couple of seconds.